Hey guys, it's me Yong again. Today I want to do this video especially for you guys because I talk about the ICBC, right? The China banks listed in Hong Kong Stock Exchange. So with regards to that, here's a chart of it. ICBC, ticker symbol is 1398 for Hong Kong stocks. So bear in mind again, all these are just my thoughts. I do not seek to influence you guys in purchasing or selling anything. So right now I have the chart with me. We can look at it. Let's draw a very obvious trend. This is like over 5 years. Let's draw a very obvious trend line. We can see that this is around my entry price. I bought around this consolidation place because I thought this is actually the support line. So when you draw a line here, yep, this is my potential entry price also. Why? Because it actually rebounded always around here, and then this part rebound backwards, suggesting a strong resistance here. This part rebounded upwards, suggesting a strong support line. This part also, this part also, this part also, and this part also. Alright, so this is ICBC. I bought around this price here, and no, this is, from what I see, it's a very long-term play. And if you take a look at the monthly chart, let's take a look at months, right? We can see that overall, if we draw a trend line, this time around we don't draw a trend line this nearly. We draw a trend line, we can see that it's actually going on an upwards trend. So let me just adjust it a little bit here, a little bit. Let's put it here yeah, just up a bit here. Yep, so you can see this is one of the best fit line here, upwards trending line upwards. So every time I hit this level, bounce back up. This is on a monthly basis, already 2008 where the financial crisis actually happened. Yeah, this is the lowest point, bounce all the way up, come back down again, bounce all the way up, come back down, hover around here for a couple of months, maybe 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 months, and then it rebounded back upwards, and then after last year trade war, it rebounded all the way down again, and we bounced back up again. So once again, this is where my entry is, because I actually entered last year. Previously there's no opportunity but right now look at it, it's opportunity here. The highest resistance line is somewhere around here, which I feel, because look, okay, somewhere around here right, around here I wouldn't say it's there, but I'll say it's around there. Okay, so with regards to this is ICBC. We look at let's look at agri, there's a construction. So with Construction Bank of China, so we look at Construction Bank of China, we notice that similarly, ticker symbol is 0939. Similarly, my entry price is around here because I bought almost all the stocks around here, right? So similarly, we can draw a trend line all the way upwards. This time around, we can draw even from here all the way up here. Okay, maybe we move it down a little here, and seems about right. Alright, this is the ultimate trend line. From here, bounce back, almost hit, bounce back up, hit this point, look at all the tails, and then it bounce back up, then hit this point again, bounce back up, hit this point. Okay, it has always been rebounding here, then go down. Similarly like ICBC actually went back up again, hit this point, going back up again. So my entry price is around here. I wouldn't say I hit the low, but taking a look at the long-term trend line of this, I would say I'm hitting almost the bottom okay. Right now we can see that the first resistance line somewhere around here, this level here, because you see it actually comes back down, it forms two top over here, and then the next resistance line somewhere over here slightly above this line here, which is somewhere around here. So again, all this only made possible because of trade war coming back down all the way to here. So now you'll say, hey, then what's the dividend like? What's the dividend structure? Well, you can actually go over to this website. It's very easy. Go over to this website, aastocks.com, or you simply just type ICBC dividend dates. Go press the first link. Then you see this thing. This is actually a financial website. So you scroll all the way down, it can tell you that give you an average of 5.49. The dividend yield is 5.49 when the average is around 4.84%. And then we look at when they give dividend. No dividend. Then this part got dividend. So dividend down here we can see it's on December 2017. XD date is actually 2018. So yep, then sorry, this is 2018. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Okay, let me just restart over again. They issued dividends on the 27 March 2018, so which is last year 2018 March. Okay, so The XD date is actually on July. Okay, that's why you see down here, if I actually come over to date here, so daily, let me go daily. Yeah, daily. Okay, you can see dividend sign here, July. Okay, always around July period. This is China Construction Corporation, but then Bank Corporation, but then you see also June July period. Okay, so that's that. Now, to answer a question on whether is it taxable, well, according to simply do a HKEX dividend tax, right? To understand more, so both Singapore and Hong Kong are very tax friendly for corporate rates of 17% and 16.5% respectively. Well, US is 39.6%, but this is not really, we don't really care about this because we're not owning a business, right? So what we care about is this part here. Hong Kong does not impose any withholdings on dividends, withholding tax on dividends. Investors will receive the full amount declared by the company, meaning to say that you will receive this full amount here, 24 cents for this Hong Kong banks down here. Full of it, none of it will go to your tax, and you can just get it all free inside. Okay, so now next question is, some people has been asking me, what if you can't actually open up a Standard Chartered account, or you don't have Saxo account or whatever, you only have TD Ameritrade, and you want to actually enter a stock? Well, fortunately for you guys, it's all of these banks are listed in the US Stocks Exchange. So you take a look at it, you can look at this is ticker symbol is IDCBY. Okay, $15 per share. Okay, next one you have Bank of China, BACHY. Okay, $11.66 per share. Agricultural Bank of China, this is $11.92 per share. And China Construction Bank Corporation, this is $17.88 per share. Alright, all these are actually all listed in the US Stock Exchange. So if you take a look at it, key in the ticker symbol here, IDCBY, you can see, look at the past trend. You can look at the whole thing of it. You can do your analysis on it on this TD Ameritrade platform. You can actually buy and sell here. However, because they are China banks and all, and they are only listed over here to I'm not too sure why they also listed themselves on New York Stock Exchange, right? But for apparent reasons, they do not offer options for you, so you can only buy the shares and get the dividends. Alright, that's if you are actually holding on to a US account already, be it Saxo, be it Interactive Broker, be it TD Ameritrade. You're actually holding on to their account already, right? And then all your currencies in USD, you don't want to convert this and that because of foreign exchange, whatever, right? So you can just buy straight from here lah, $15 per share. Then you just hold it for a long term. Now the good thing about using this, also you can go to a calculator. You can go to a calculator, just type in, like for example, I just researched on Bank of China, everything come out already. So it's so easy for you, just calculate everything, and then down here, because it is a China company listed in US Stock Exchange. So similarly, I think I did explain this in the class that just last week. So if it's a overseas China company listed in New York Stock Exchange, you just key in the currency difference. So for example, 6.7 yuan renminbi equals to 1 USD. So you just need to type 6.7. Alright, when you type 6.7, you can see the entry price actually changed, right? So current price is $11.66. Entry price growth in Bank of China, okay, is actually $25.29. Okay, this is if you are buying in a US stock exchange. So we can also look at the financial matrix, everything about it. You can see that last year they did not offer dividends. I do not know why they did not give dividends on the US stock exchange. But then you also must take note that all these are reported in renminbi lah, okay, CNY. But as long as you're down here, you put 6.7, right? All your intrinsic calculation, everything, I have done it for you already, so you will just get the appropriate amount lah. This one you just ignore first. Why? Because right now you see down here it's negative, it's dash. I don't use TTM to calculate because TTM is 12 months trailing average, right? So it's not very, very accurate. So I only use this, so that's why it shows 0% dividend. But as you can see from this as you can see from this website here, they actually offer a 5.49% dividend for ICBC, Bank of China, all these kind of four big banks lah. Okay, so yeah, this is with regards to all these big banks. You can actually look up for other ticker symbol. For example, you're gonna look up on the ICBC is it's quite long, IDCBY CBY. So you just press search, get data, and then you just keep going, find all the data. So while finding, right, you also can look at some other Hong Kong stocks, which I think was quite interesting. You can look at over here. Generally, I wouldn't tell you to go for stocks that, you know, giving like 19.37%. You know, it's a bit too high, right? I mean, this kind of high dividend stocks sometimes is quite risky. I would say even sometimes 5% also quite risky. So it really depends on the company, but usually like if the company give out like 10 or 15% dividend, right, it's a kind of a red flag that you should look out for. So these are actually peers of ICBC. So I probably guess all these are, you know, companies which by, how do I call it, like also in the financial sector. For example, HSBC Holding, let's look at the share price, how much. They are giving a 6.8%, how much? 6.18% dividend yield. Okay, so let me see, quick quote. So HSBC current price, let me, where's their current price? Is it still loading? Oh wait, I got out of it. So HSBC, okay, never mind, let's go HSBC H shares. Okay, so we go HSBC H shares, we can see the current price is $64. Wow, this is really expensive compared to buying like ICBC, you know, Bank of China, so on and so forth. Okay, so anyway, let's come back to this calculator. I'll calculate out for USD ID CBY, foreign exchange rate 6.7 to 1 USD. The intrinsic value is $29.35. Current price $15.19. So there's a 50% upside on this stock. We also notice that the dividend entry price now is $13.88. Current price is again $15.19. So we are slightly, it's slightly below 5% now. But the moment when I bought in that time, when I bought in was around here. It doesn't matter what stock I'm looking at. All stock I look at, I all bought in around here. This time here. Okay, November. I bought in around November period, so it's around here. All the way down here, the low here. So yep, this is where I bought in, and it's currently going up, and I'm quite happy with it. Okay, so I've come to the end of today's video update. So I hope you guys actually learned something on it. If you actually learned something from it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, because I'll most likely be posting stuff on this YouTube channel and try and make it big, so that next time if you guys want to watch any video, you can just straight go over there and just, you know, all is archived over there already. Okay, so once again, thank you very much. This is Yongik. Bye bye.